could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be.
Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. So today is a Saturday and I'm vlogging. It's been such a long time since I vlogged. I think I didn't vlog once I came back from Miami, so it's gonna be the first vlog after my birthday trip. So today I was really feeling low when I woke up. I don't know, it was like post holiday or something. So I was like, oh, what is happening? So I decided to get up early and get changed, have a bath, and now I'm heading out. So today, since today is a Saturday, I'm not gonna go to my office because I don't really have a lot of work in there. So I am gonna go for some coffee and I'm gonna sit there for a while and study. So I really like taking the time out for myself and going out on coffee with me. I know a lot of people find it so weird, like how can you go out without someone? But this is something that I really enjoy, and whenever I'm feeling low or I'm just not motivated or I don't know what's happening in my life or I'm just not happy for some reason, I like to do this. I like to take myself out for coffee, and I just like to, maybe I work on a video, or maybe I study, or maybe I just sit there and enjoy and have fun, just look around, talk to people or something of that sort. I really enjoy doing that. So I thought I'll vlog today this thing of mine. I don't know if you guys find it weird or if you really practice it. Please let me know in the comment section if you actually like going out all by yourself, like for dinner or for lunch or for brunch, whatever you do. Just comment, it would really make me feel happy. And also, in case you don't like it or in case you have never done it, I would highly suggest that you try this out because it's really good. It's like a detox and it's like a pamper time for yourself. So you should all go on a date with yourself. I would highly suggest it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I just packed my bag. I am gonna go for coffee and I'm gonna sit there and I'm gonna study. I have to read 2 papers for a group presentation that's like next week, and I also have to edit my Miami vlog. So I'm gonna do that, and a couple of other YouTube things and random things that I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm so pumped and happy that I'm going out all by myself, and I'm gonna walk a lot. It's like 30-40 minutes of walking to that place. So I'm not taking a cab because I prefer walking. And also I might go for swimming or gymming today, but I'm really not sure. So yeah, but for now I am just gonna have some breakfast. I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm having for breakfast, and once I have my breakfast I'm gonna leave. So this is what I'm having. I'm having some strawberries, some watermelon, grapes, and apples and bananas, and some hummus. So this is like beetroot, and I think this is beetroot hummus. It looks so pretty. It's like pink color. And this one is chipotle hummus on bread. So this is what I'm having, and I like to call it breakfast of the champions. So yeah, I'm quickly gonna have my breakfast and then I'll catch you guys later. Now I just had my breakfast and I'm all set to go. So this is like a little OOTD. Please avoid the mess behind. I am still not done with cleaning my room. So I'm wearing this sweater that I got from India. I really like it. It's so soft and I just love the color. And then I'm wearing these leggings. These are like fleeced leggings, and my Adidas shoes. So yeah, but I'm not. High neck makes my double chin looks a lot more prominent. Finally I've managed to reach.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. Was it your plan? Can I understand? I love it.
It's been a while since I've been sitting here and I'm just just gonna have some sandwich. This is like the veggie sandwich, and I'm also editing the Miami vlog. And can you see, it's like an hour long. Oh my god. But I'm gonna have some food first. House is so pretty. Like, look at the next house. That's so pretty too. So nice. So it's now time to go for swimming. Hey guys, so welcome back to day 2. I woke up at around 9:30 today and I just had my breakfast. I made pancakes and then I took a bath, and as you can see I had a head bath, and then I just got ready and I thought I'll continue the yesterday's vlog. I wanted to film like 2 separate vlogs for Saturday and Sunday, but since yesterday I didn't vlog a lot of things, I thought I'll vlog today as well. So welcome to day 2. Today is a Sunday and I am so not in a mood to do anything, but still I have a lot of things to do. So I just wrote down all of the agendas for today, and I have to film a video, and I also have to edit my Miami vlog, and apart from that I have to do my projects and all of those things, and I also have to clean my room today. So it's almost April now and the spring is kind of here. Like, the weather here is so bipolar, like it changes every single hour, I would say. So still I really want to get out all of my spring and summer clothes, and I really want to dump all the winter clothes inside. So I'm done with laundry. There's last load in the washing machine, so I'm done with all of my laundry, and I'm still thinking if I should film the video first or if I should start with the cleaning first. But I really think I should film the video first, because then I would be highly demotivated and tired to do anything. So I think I'm gonna film the video now, and then I'll start with my spring cleaning. I have a lot of stuff to be taken care of, and I also have to clean my bathroom, which is in a huge mess. So I think I'm going to talk to you guys again once I'm done with filming my video. Hey guys, so welcome back. So I did film my video. It took me like 15-20 minutes max because I had all of my notes ready, but then I had my lunch and I was so sleepy and I literally slept for 1 hour, and now it's almost 4 o'clock and I really need to start with my spring cleaning. So I'm having some coffee right now and I really need that caffeine kick so that I can start with all of the cleaning. I have a lot of things to do. I need to pack my comforter, which is gonna be a difficult task, and then I need to get all of my spring clothes out, which is in the suitcase beneath my bed, and then I need to get all of my sweaters, jackets and all of those things sorted. I would be keeping some of the sweaters and jacket outside because the weather here is so unpredictable. Anything can happen at any time, so I still want to be, you know, safe, and I don't want to go in and take all of the clothes out. So I'll still keep some of my sweaters and jackets outside, but rest of them goes inside my suitcase underneath my bed. And I have to clean my bathroom and my desk, because my desk is in a mess right now. Like, you just cannot see anything on my desk. It's just messed up so bad. And my chair, and the reason I'm filming on the floor today is that my chair is full of clothes. I'm gonna show you guys my chair in a while. So yeah, that's a lot of things that needs to be done today, and it's almost 4 o'clock and I have to be done by 6 o'clock so that I can start prepping up for the dinner. So that's what it is. Let's get started.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Under the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you your plan. Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna
Told you to walk away. That was my first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face. But what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive. Whoa, I need you to survive. 'Cause without you by my side, I can't survive. I need you to survive. Without you by my side, I can't survive.
So that was all of my spring cleaning video. I really hope you guys like the video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.